You made it to the big one day. Now everything changes. Gonna step out on my own, flip the script and turn the pages. Find the dreams inside, let them out of their cages. Cause I'm bursting with ideas, overflowing with amazement. And I stop and see the beauty that is flowing up and down my street. The future that is growing, waiting just for me. A tiny speck of light in an endless sea. Yeah, yeah, yeah. We were so young in love with getting old. At the start of our journey on a path untold, but lessons learned still far away, and the mistakes that burn never yet today. It's the great adventure that we all must take, to head out blind without knowing the way, to find some love and give it to live a life designed by you. Oh, 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 oh. Gonna grab it by the reins, gonna make some bad decisions, cause the journey will be hard. Gotta trust my intuition, I'm gonna laugh, love, cry, hope, rinse and repeat it. And I stop and see an overflowing fountain of memories. This town that I grew up in is a piece for me. I'll represent proudly everywhere I be. Yeah, yeah, yeah. We were so young in love with getting old. At the start of our journey on a path untold, the lessons learned